And my response was this. I don't ask you to come in my fucking room anyway. Here she go right there. And I saw the thing what she said in Brandon room. That when she started being funny, throwing shade in people's rooms. Because I mentioned her that day. I'm not going to ever text you about this app longer. And this is what I explained to her. Look. This is about the money right there. Look. It just hurt me because I told her that you will use any excuse to not come in my room. I'm taking my time, bitch. This is when she said she was going to talk to me on the phone, but she never called me. That's the last conversation. And I said, I forgot I had blocked you the other day. Now y'all see, bitch, she befriended me in all types of ways, bitch. I told y'all that. She befriended me. Yellowbone, come up. Mm-hmm. She befriended me. I told y'all that. She had your
Trina, I know Trina. You know that day that I told you no, you called me out, and you said somebody had come back over there and told you I was in Teresa live, agreeing with everything that you said. I already knew that it was her discernment. My discernment be on point. You know what I'm saying? But I apologized to her in Doll Baby Live. But you
and
know what?
she talked about asking
Huh?
mama too. Asked her mama online looking like this. Yeah.
Yeah, you know that's wrong. You know what I'm saying? Y'all people be on here wishing death and talking evil against people. You know what I'm saying? That stuff will come back on you. But you know,
But, but,
I'm
but,
not
but,
worried
but, but
about that.
Yellowbone, I took a stance that I'm not doing that no more, you know? I said, after the key incident, I ain't wishing death on nobody or talk about nobody's kids. I said that.
You need to stop. You know, I come in here, I troll you all the time. I might say my little shit and I go on, but you know, that's how me and you roll. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And shut up, HNIC, you fat fuck. I'm in anybody's family, bitch. You got a problem with it?
It's Miranda in here?
Stupid ass. I'm not finna get down, Trina.
Ashley
All
Shepherd.
right.
Who was talking about my mama? Red Velvet? I almost know that lady.
Yeah, Red Velvet said something about, oh, look how Ashley got your mama dressed on live when she was talking to Jackie that time.
Dressed on live, she in her goddamn house, bitch.
Mm-hmm.
Now, Trina, what the fuck is that on top of your head?
It's your mama wig. I stole it.
No,
Hey, y'all.
Trina,
Huh?
now let me ask you one thing. Don't your long, bald, little dick, fucked up wig ass hang up this phone, Trina. Listen, Red Velvet was playing both parts. She was playing you, now she finna play Eb, and she gonna move on. That's just the way Bigo rolls. Come on now, Trina. Everybody do it, Trina. You done had some good people that you have crossed out, Trina. You gotta be fair. All y'all do it.
No, we don't.
Every
We don't
Trina,
do that. I never did that.
you don't like people to
I
disagree
have
with
never
you.
intentionally did that. I never intentionally did that, girl. No, we did not. I have never intentionally ever done that because that's not even in my character. When a bitch tried me, that's when I tried them back. I gave Red Velvet chance after motherfucking chance, like I give everybody chance after chance. My people tell me about these people all the time. I don't listen until I get my ass handed to me. I was forewarned about Red Velvet a long time ago. I was forewarned about them a long time ago. That's nothing new. I have never done that. So don't lie on me because I've never done anything to now one of my supporters. Ever that never done nothing to me. They did shit to me first. I have never just, well, I just did something to my supporter. That's a lie. And they do it in a nice, nasty way, so it looks like I done it. Because when I go off, bitch, I go completely off on a bitch. I go from 100, from 0 to 1 motherfucker 100. Just that motherfucker quick. I ain't no in between. I'm either going to be cold or motherfucker hot. When I get hot, bitch, I'm hot. And I'll take a whole bunch of shit from motherfuckers. Bitch, I took a lot of shit from them. Her being jealous of Dynamite. Hello?
I want to say a few things if you don't mind.
Hello?
You know, all the stuff that y'all text about and talked about, you didn't blast it. You didn't tell Dynamite. You didn't tell nobody. So there's no purpose in telling it now. But what I'm trying to say to
No,
you is,
I'm just saying because she said she got receipts on me and all this kind of shit, and she was gonna do a interview with Elle. So I'm getting ahead of that motherfucker shit. Them the receipts.
so who gonna do an interview with TomiK?
No, Red Velvet.
Oh, fuck her. Listen, I want to go back to you and TomiK. When y'all both was talking, you can hear the hurt in y'all voice. Let's block Keith out the way. You hurt because of the things you said, and she had hurt in her voice because she felt like, she stepped out on faith to your party. Y'all first gotta talk through that hurt or when y'all hurted each other. Because y'all was both hurt. She came over here. You welcome her over here. You don't hate her that much when you want to do because you wouldn't have welcomed her in your box and she wouldn't have came up over here
No,
and
I don't
she
hate nobody that
hated
much.
you
I
to the
told you I
word.
forgave her when it came to that kind of hate.
When when
And I
when
can
people are
allow
hurt
her, but
and
me and her
y'all,
not friends. Me and her never would be friends though,
you
Ashley.
know, let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. If God say y'all gonna be friends, you're gonna be friends. There's nothing you can stop. God have a way of working it. If He says it's meant to be, it's gonna be. So stop saying what you're not gonna do. But what I'm saying is, I really wish y'all would talk behind the scenes without the comments because before the key situation, y'all had a lot of hurt going on with each other where y'all both feel betrayed. But Red Velvet, let me tell you something, Trina. Don't let that bother you. See, the thing is about us, when God remove people out of our life, we want to fuss and slumber. Just thank God for removing out of your life. Because one thing you said that was true, if she did it to you, she going to do it to her. And she going to keep doing it and keep doing it to the next and the next. God removed her out of your life. Everything that's giving you money and gifts and grinning in your face and smiling in your face is not your friend. It's the devil coming in disguise to kill, steal, and destroy. And she didn't do neither one to you. So tell the Lord, amen, and let that thing go over there where she belongs. And you know better than that. You know better to be crying over spilled milk.
Oh,
Wipe
I
that
ain't
shit
crying
up and
over
keep
that.
it moving.
I was just getting ahead of the bullshit because I know how people do.
You ain't got to get ahead of nothing because guess what? God already removed her because let me tell you something. He got favor on you, Trina. And you know that. You always say that. He ain't going to let nobody sit around you that's not supposed to be around you and she gone. Say amen and let that bitch go. She want to do interviews.
Oh,
Let her do what she got to do.
and I know that Ashley, but I just got ahead of her by dropping them receipts because I knew that's what she was.
Yeah, you dropped them receipts and she said a lot of crooked things, a lot of dirty things. And for her not to know none of us is sickening. But she's a messy bitch and they go to show for her to be under the scene saying so much about people never done to her, she ain't no good in the goddamn ways. Fuck her. You ain't lost shit, and she damn sure ain't gonna be a bigger broadcaster than you because of who she picked as her agency owner. She ain't gonna never let her come up.
TrinaB, is it possible that you had her blocked and she tried to call you when you had her blocked?
No, 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 no. I didn't have a block on my cell phone. I had a block on Bigo.
Okay.
Trina, you just mad you lost that support.
Girl, please. Y'all some hating ass bitches. Bitch, I'm not hating that because I'm gonna get more support. Do you know how many people come back and support me? How many new supporters I got just this week? Do you know how many new people just gifted me just this week? Go back and look. But I'm not about to care about that. Gotta make it a way. Gotta make it a way that he'll knock every last one of them down to the bottom of their support system. God would bring somebody in that would double their money. That's what God do. If you bless, you just bless. If you bless, you just bless. Ain't nobody can stop nothing, no matter who stops supporting you. They think that they stopping supporting you. 9 to 10, sometimes they not their own blessing because you blessed by God. Everything attached to you blessed by God. Everything attached to me blessed by God. That's what I feel. So that they go put their money on dirty ground, they gonna have to reap what they sow. I mean they'll see because you on the fertilized good soil, baby. And one thing when I'm wrong, I'll admit to it, bitch. And that's one thing y'all can always say. If I was wrong, I'm gonna admit to it, bitch. I know when I'm wrong and when I'm right. That's why I ain't talking about no dead and talking about people kids no more. That's why I ain't doing that no more. Because that's wrong. Two wrongs don't make a right. Let them bitches be in the motherfucking ground and weep the karma, bitch. I don't want none of it. I don't want none of that. I know better. I know what God gonna do. Hold on, y'all. Let me call my mother real quick. Hold on 1 minute, y'all. Hold on. I got to call my freezing up and everything. Hold on. What going on? Hold on, y'all. Shit freezing up and everything. Hold on. Oh, I hate when they do that. Ah, damn. I had to take care of my mama medical stuff, baby. That, who the fuck is this? Get your dirty ass down, bitch. You ragged mouth, ugly mouth, big bubble lip. You look just like Stone, probably. He probably inspires you. Hey, y'all run it up, y'all. Y'all run it up. Y'all run it up. Yeah, but that's the way things happen, y'all. That's the way things happen. Go, can y'all go ahead and get me to my box? Bombshell, can you help me, boo boo? Can you spend a little bit more coins, or can you, or do you have it? You spent um Dior, shut the fuck up and you recharge. You motherfucker recharge with your dirty ass. Hello?
Trina, Trina.
Yeah.
But you can't be mad at Red Velvet because she has no loyalty. You has none either. You said it 4 or 5 times.
I said against top broadcasters, bitch. I said that. Bitch, I have no loyalty to top broadcasters. That's what I said, bitch. But you behind the scenes being a friend to me, that's a whole different story. She befriended me, bitch. Y'all keep saying that. Fuck you, motherfucker, bitch. I can feel the way I want to feel. I can feel like I want to feel. I don't want to fuck with that bitch. I ain't gonna fuck with her. I cuss that bitch out. Fuck Red Velvet. Fuck you too, bitch. Fuck Red Velvet and fuck you too. And fuck the boat you came in, bitch, with your mama. Um, these old hoes be trying it. And then when a bitch cuss your motherfucking ass out, it's a different story. Get your ass up out of here with that motherfucking bullshit, you dirty ass, raggedy mouth, rotten mouth bitch. Sound like you got power real in your gums, bitch, and you smoke 9 packs of cigarettes a day.
You want on lawyer son of a bitch, Trina. That's why you over here.
Yeah, I ain't struggling not now, bitch. I ain't struggling not now, bitch. Kiss my dick hole. Swallow my cum, bitch. Drink my shit. My diarrhea shit, bitch. Your motherfucking dusty, raggedy mouth ass up here. I don't give 2 fucks about your motherfucking, what you got going on, bitch. Tell me I don't get mad with Red Velvet. I get mad with the fuck I want. I am not really mad with her. I just don't fuck with her no more. Bitch, see you later. If I don't fuck with you no more, I don't fuck with you no more, bitch. Bitch. Don't bring your ass over. You decided that's what you want the motherfucker do with your dust ass. And Elle gonna see you a snake too. She gonna, Elle, don't let them hoes get close to you. That's all I'm gonna say. Don't let them bitches get close to you, calling you on your phone, doing all that, bitch. No, ma'am. Cause them bitches a trip. That's all I'm gonna say. Them stank assholes a trip. Thank you, Bombshell.
Host I've seen with millions of beings and no sins. Des Corey. So you do know that when you see some hosts with zero sins, they be done reset their sins. I'm gonna tell you the only host that I know of that has millions of beings and no sins, that's Cherry motherfucking ass. Hell yeah. Now I don't know if Cherry still hit a milli every month. Akasha got a milli. She got over a milli.
Hey, Bombshell.
For real? Oh, okay. Well, I guess Akasha and Cherry. And who else? But that's because they don't do business. They don't do business or none of that. They don't do PKs. They don't do none of that. They just do straight. Mm-hmm. Yeah, Cherry and I didn't know Akasha, but Cherry and Akasha, I guess. G2, but he don't hit tears. What you mean he don't hit tears? But I ain't gonna lie though. Gucci girl, y'all listen. Well, hold on, but we ain't gonna say real organic. Cause I got organic now. I just incorporate business to make more money. See, when you incorporate business, you make more money. Like if Cherry and Akasha incorporated business, bitch, shit. You know how much money they can make? They can make them some money. But, you know, I don't know what Cherry's tier is now. You know what I'm saying? But, yeah. So, let me tell y'all what happened. So, y'all remember the stuff with, hold on, y'all, because I know the comments got to catch up. Oh, you right. Oh, wait, hold on, y'all. Hold on, they might be right. Okay, so y'all remember when, y'all done heard me say that before too. I was reading Cherry and I said,
All right,
bitch, keep
Sapphire.
sending
I'm going to call
Brandon.
you.
But anyway, this ain't about her, y'all. Tell me I got that from you, Ed. Y'all messy. Where y'all getting that messy shit from? Where's y'all getting it from? Can you look, y'all, look what Vaughn said. She made up a page and drank the fuck out of Kiefer's. Oh, that's TKO admin. Okay, pretty girl. Y'all
Okay, I
saw what
will.
Vaughn just said? She made a whole fake page and drug the fuck. Wait, Miss Vicky, what happened? What's her motive? Did I ever answer who question? Hear about him telling me. It was the fact that he came to me with it. Like me and Brandon told him to say this thing. Because that's what it looked like. And that's why he didn't want to give up her name. Mm-hmm.
It revealed some man.
He was.
I will.
He was so sure that they were sitting in the same motherfucking house. Mm-hmm. Is she on the board? Ron, is she on his listening? Yeah, that bitch been here that whole time. The bitch? You right out there with the bitch. So now we just letting the whole lie? The fuck?
She said somebody revealed the sources. Who was the sources, y'all? Who was the sources that told Nunu about pastor updates? Me, that was saying Nunu told them about, was telling them about what was going on with pastor. Who was the sources now? Y'all was in that live. Who was in that sources, y'all? Can somebody call in and let me know? I'm a king here in the keys. So he was saying Nunu was the call-in number. The call-in number is 904-618-7613. 904-618-7613. Nunu friend told him his condition. So what was the condition? Did they say about it?
Trina, you an angry bird. Fly high, bitch. Fly.
Y'all can hear me? Y'all can hear me? Can y'all hear me? Okay. Shut up, Stallion. Big wide back bitch. But I like Stallion, y'all. Don't y'all kick Stallion. Hey y'all, See, stuff like that I can take. You know, joking with me, y'all can take. Stuff like that. I like. I like a bitch to read to me. You can read me all day, bitch. The man came up in air about 2 weeks ago, but what did he say though? What was his condition? What was his condition, y'all? That man, that's a lie. He lied. He lied to Elb now. So like I hear a tornado, bitch. But there's just a, it's raining out here, bitch. It's windy and it's raining. Bitch, it done got dark. Bitch. Damn right, bitch. I don't play with Mother Nature. Mother Nature is undefeated. Just like karma. Hey, Cherry. Y'all help me get me to my box, y'all. Help me get me to my box. Hey, sister. Now this bitch gonna lie, y'all. Look. She wanna be in the mix so bad. She wanna be in the mix so bad. Look at her. Dumb, greasy face bitch.
He definitely
Look
asked
at.
me for money. He's weird. Like, he's so weird. He asked me for 300.
Now, bitch, why would I ask you for 300 motherfucking dollars, bitch? Why would I ask you for any motherfucking thing? You dark motherfucker, ugly ass duck bill looking bitch. Why would I ask you for anything? I ain't never asked you for ever in your life. She wanna be in the mix so motherfucking bad. She wanna be in the mix so bad. Cause she can't come over to my motherfucking room anymore, bitch. She wanna be in my motherfucking thing until she respects her motherfucking mama.